Good morning. My name is Mohammed AFIF HAMMAJI, semester first semester, academic year 2024-2025. Branch Automobile Engineering. Name of the product Paint and PPF. My company name is Babs Automotive. My product name is Paints and PPF. Feedback collected during empathy program from peoples. Protection of paint. Paint is a primary barrier between your car's metal and element. It protects against rust, corrosion, and minor scratches. Paint appearance. Paint gives your car its color and overall aesthetic appeal. PPF protection. PPF is a transparent film applied over your car's paint to provide an extra layer of protection. It safeguards against rocks, scratches, bug splatters, UV rays, minor impacts, example door dings. PPF is relatively low maintenance. Though regular washing is still recommended, some PPF have self-healing property that can minimize minor scratches. PPF some features I would like to add are paint, color changing paints, paints that changes color based on temperature, light or other environment factor, adding a unique and dynamic look to the vehicle. PPF self-cleaning technology, integrated self-cleaning properties to minimize the need for frequent washing and maintenance. Futuristic product names: chameleon paint for color changing paint, and smart clean PPF for self cleaning PPF. Sketches prototype. Testing is not done yet, but I request the viewer of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.